Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add this trending effect on CapCut. So if you guys knew, there is an effect called electro-optical scanning, and this effect is currently trending in CapCut, at least in my country. And here is how you can add that to your videos. First, just go to effect, click on body effect. Okay, so you can find it on the trending, but if you cannot find it, you can just find it on the stroke. Okay, this one, electro-optical scanning. Click on the effect. You can adjust it if you want. Adjust the size, the range of the scanning, twist. You can also change the color. I'm going to change the color to this purple-ish color, and you can also change the speed. When you're done, just click on the check icon, apply it to the entire clip, and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on a like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.